So students, continued the question number 8. This you see already in the last page we saw after congruent that we got that what BD parallel to CF. Okay students, if BD parallel to CF and after CPCT you saw AD equal to CF, but AD is equal to BD. This is given. Okay students, if AD is equal to CF and AD is equal to BD given, then we can write BD is equal to CF. You see the figure, BD is equal to CF. Otherwise you draw a figure in your note. Just otherwise I am doing here again. You see this figure we have done in the last page. You see this is D, E and F. Just I am doing roughly here. Already A is equal to EC and AD is equal to BD and DE is equal to EF we got, and after CPCT AD is equal to CF, as AD is equal to CF but AD is equal to BD, therefore BD is equal to CF. Okay students, we know, and you see these two expression, just BD parallel to CF and BD is equal to CF. We know in a quadrilateral if opposite lines are equal and parallel, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay students, if opposite lines are equal and parallel, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Hence this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore DFCB is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then also DF parallel to BC. If DF parallel to BC, that is DEF is a straight line, also DE parallel to BC. What our question was to prove that DE parallel to BC, and we got the result that is claimed. Okay. Then question number 9 students. Question number 9. Here is giving that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at O. So you have to prove that, so that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. So let's start student. You do a trapezium. Now here is the trapezium. One pair is parallel and other pairs are non-parallel. ABCD is a trapezium. Here AB parallel to CD. Now the diagonals BD and AC, they intersect at O. Okay. So given AB parallel to CD and it is a trapezium, and claim to prove. What you have to prove? That AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Okay students, next you do a construction. Construction is what? Draw a line here in the middle. Suppose it is XO. Draw XO which is parallel to either AB or CD. We can write like this, as AB parallel to CD. Okay, then we can write XO parallel to AB and XO parallel to DC. Okay. Proof. Hence, XO parallel to AB. XO parallel to AB. So, from ADB triangle, ADB, we can write AX by DX is equal to BO by DO using theorem 6.1, that is equation number 1. And hence, XO parallel to DC, already we have done here, XO parallel to DC, then we can write AX by DX is equal to AO by CO. This is equation number 2. Okay, students. Then from equation 1 and 2, hence left hand sides are equal, then we can put BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. Okay, BO by DO. Then you can exchange the terms. Okay, exchange the term, that is component into divide into process. We can exchange the numerator to the denominator, that is CO by DO equal to AO by BO. Just we exchange this term to here and this up to in this position. Okay, then or final we can write AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. That proved.